classroom, but then are they able to be included in the school?
Yes, I mean, and they spend, as far as school-wide is concerned, they participate in recess and lunch and music and library and all of those things, assemblies, as typical kids do, and with typical kids at their grade level.
I'm
Yes.
in the general ed classroom?
Yes.
And-
And so that there's a common language and a common model and a common expectation in both contexts. And then, and then supporting the teachers in implementing that if there are issues with, potential.
Accommodation.
Mm-hmm.
Can you describe an accommodation a student might receive in a classroom?
They can be anything from, like preferential seating, to something as severe as like a one-on-one aid. The amount of time, the focus, and the expectation for them. So, for instance, a lot of my students go to their classroom, and the expectation isn't academic for them. The expectation is a social learning behaviors. And so that's the goal that both the teacher and I know that they're working on at the time. So disability to me is not an excuse for why a child can't do something. It's an understanding of how you're going to get them wherever they need to go. So the expectation is the same for students in my classroom as it is for students in typically developing classrooms. But it's just more information about how they learn, who they are, and where we're going to go with it. But the expectation is the same.